In today's video, we're going to talk about these hotels that are located in Garden Grove, which is about 1.5 miles from Disneyland. And because they're not right next to Disneyland, you're going to pay less for these hotels. The Hampton Inn and Suites is over there. Then right here we've got the Embassy Suites. And then over here I'm going to show you the Residence Inn and do room tours of that hotel. Let's get started. First up, let's take a look at the Embassy Suites Hotel. The lobby, the rooms, and all the amenities are included with this property. From the moment you walk into the lobby at the Embassy Suites, you will see this gorgeous atrium, and then they also always have a koi pond or fish and a water feature. It's just so beautiful. I love this property. Okay, this is the Embassy Suites. And this is the first room. So the living room where it has a sofa bed, okay, desk, chair, and a TV. There's also a table here. Then over here we've got the kind of kitchen-ish microwave, fridge, sink. Okay, then in here's the bathroom. Nice, bright, clean. Got a sink here, toilet. And then here's the shower. Nice. Okay. Then there's a separate door here so you can close off. This is where the other beds are. So you can close this door and you can have privacy. So in here we have 2 beds. This is at the Embassy Suites here, they have double beds. So there's TV, dresser, lots of storage, big closet. And then here's your beds. Okay. And then this room has views. You can see fireworks from this room out there. So here we are at the Embassy Suites. And here's the living room area with the bathroom. My favorite part about staying at the Embassy Suites is the breakfast. It is the best breakfast. Let's start with the hot buffet. The hot buffet rotates every day from things you got pancakes, waffles, eggs, toast, hash browns, bacon, and the omelet station is the best. You can have them make right there, made to order, your own omelet. Let me just show you all the other things that are available. There really is something for everyone, and you need to start your Disney day off with a fantastic breakfast, and I highly recommend the one here at the Embassy Suites. They do made-to-order omelets. Another great amenity at the Embassy Suites is their afternoon reception. It's complimentary. It includes snacks and drinks. Let's take a look. Also included with the reception are drinks, both alcoholic and non-alcoholic drinks. Up next in our Garden Grove Hotel series is the Hampton Inn and Suites, also located 1.5 miles from Disneyland. Let's take a look at this property, the rooms, and all of its amenities. Well, we are checking in to the Hampton Inn and Suites. So this room is a suite. So it's got that full kitchen. It's got your dishwasher, sink, microwave, a cooktop, full fridge, and then stuff to cook with, plates, and then down there, and I bet in here, full dishwasher, and then stuff to cook with. So nice big kitchen area. Cooktop, you can cook a meal. There's a coffee maker. So nice big kitchen with a table here so you can eat, prep your meal. Okay, so it's in Hampton Inn and Suites. So all the rooms are gonna have a kitchen like this with a separate room. We got a sofa sleeper here, TV, little chair here to sit and a table. So nice space. And I like that there is, so those are that's an adjoining room. So you could get rooms like if you were there in a family or group, and then the door does shut. So this is the door, there's a nice tall mirror. So this door shuts off to the bedroom. So we've got 2 queens in here. Nice big room, spacious. We got a desk, another TV. Okay. We have storage, desk, another chair, and a lamp. And then if you come over here, so there's a big closet, sliding door over there. Our 2 beds, lots of plugs. I'm noticing that's really important. We got plugs there, plug there. Okay, and then here's the bathroom. So in there, it's the door you shut for the kitchen area and the living space. Hello, so here's the bathroom. We've got a sink, separate door here to shut, and you have your tub shower and your toilet. So very nice. Okay, so this is the bathroom, and this is the separate bedroom, and here's the living space. And correction, this is Hampton Inn and Suites, but not all the rooms are a suite like this. So they do not all have an extra space here with the kitchen. You can get this, so this is one of their suites, or you can get a room that just has 2 queens in it. Okay? And look, they added a little Disney touch here in the living room. That's cute. And let's see our view outside. So out there, this hotel is located literally right there is Joe's Italian Ice, if you're familiar with that. Disneyland is that way. You would use the ART to get to Disneyland, the bus. You can see the very back side of Cars Land way out there if you look. So I wouldn't walk to Disneyland from here, but it's not far. Right here in the lobby at the Hampton Inn and Suites, you will find the breakfast area. Breakfast is served daily. You can get hot and cold items. They even serve waffles here at this location. There's also a fitness center located in the lobby for guests at the Hampton Inn and Suites. Also, you can get information about the buses. I'm going to talk more about how to get to and from the parks at the end of this video. Now let's tour the other hotel over here in Garden Grove, the Residence Inn by Marriott. We are here at the Residence Inn in one of their 2-bedroom suites with a full kitchen. So this room has 2 bedrooms. Let's start over here on this side with the 2 queens. In this room, you've also got a TV, dresser. They have lots of storage here. So we'll talk about that. Here's the bedroom. We've got the bathroom, sink, dryer, hair dryer, and it's separate. So there's a door that shuts, and then here's the bathroom with the tub shower. Okay, and again, that door shuts. And then also this door right here shuts, and so you kind of have your own space. So this is 1 bedroom right here. Okay, and then over here is kind of like the main living space. You have a sofa sleeper here, another TV, a big desk, chair, lots of space here. And in this room, you also have a full kitchen. So you've got a fridge, freezer, microwave, stove, oven, sink, big fridge. And also coffee maker, dishwasher, everything to wash dishes. There's the fridge. And then in the cabinets, you've got stuff to cook with. You've got utensils, all the things you need. here so you can make meals. So this is really great for like big groups. I love this. We're actually here for a girls' weekend, and so we've got all this space for all of us, and we can come and gather, and then we all have our own bed. So this is the king bed, and in here, there's also another TV, okay? And then this bedroom, again, what I love, has its own bathroom. So we've got another separate sink, and the door shuts. Nice big closet here. Lots of space. There's the safe. And then you've got your other bathroom here with tub shower. And again, lots separate door. So somebody can be getting ready while somebody's in the bathroom. And again, this door closes. So these two doors close. This one closes and that one closes so that somebody can be in here also if they're on the sofa sleeping or watching TV. This is a great option for bigger size groups, and you can make your own meals. There's a place to gather. They have a little breakfast nook. Anyway, this is the Residence Inn, and this is their family 2-bedroom suite, and it sleeps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's check out some of the amenities here at the Residence Inn. Right off the lobby, they have a marketplace. So if you forgot something or you need a snack or a drink, check out the marketplace. They also have a bar that is open in the evenings. They serve hors d'oeuvres, some other things, and drinks. It's a nice little place to check out. They also have a fitness room here at the Residence Inn for any of the guests to be able to use. Here at the Residence Inn, out on their back patio, they have this big area where you can come out, hang out over here. They've got grills over here for guests that you can use while you're staying here. They have a big pool. I'll show you that in just a minute. They also have a fire pit over here. So they have a big pool. And I wanted to show you. So this is the pool. They have a jacuzzi area, and then this is kind of like a little like baby pool. So it's only 1 foot deep. So that's nice. You have kids. And then over here, they've got a jacuzzi spa over here. Then I'm coming over here also for another reason. So I've talked before about Target, and if you know me, you know I love Target, and over there is Target, so it's within walking distance. And the nice thing about that Target is you can do shopping. They have souvenirs. They have a specific Disney section at that Target. Located here in the lobby is the breakfast area. Breakfast is included with your stay here at the Residence Inn. Let's take a look at some of the options available. There are hot options daily, and they do change. There's also cold options. There's something for everyone in your group. You're going to love the breakfast that they have here at the Residence Inn. Great. Now we're all fueled up with breakfast. Let's talk about how we get to the parks from any of these Garden Grove hotels. Down there is Disneyland, 1.5 miles. I wouldn't walk to Disneyland. It's too far to walk. So I'm going to show you 2 options you have when you're staying at these Garden Grove hotels, which tend to be on the more affordable side because they are a little further from Disneyland. So these particular hotels have bus stops. Here's a bus stop right here for the ART, which is the Anaheim Resort Transportation. Then we're going to walk down here. I'm going to show you the other option. All right, we just walked through the parking lot. We're headed right over here to the bus. You can see the bus. Here's the bus stop that takes you to and from Disneyland for these Garden Grove hotels. Embassy Suites, Hampton Inn, You could use it for the Hilton. I don't have a room tour of that hotel, but they do sell it through Getaway Today, my travel partner. And then that's the Residence Inn right there. So the Art, you can purchase tickets to get on the bus in the Away We Go app. You get on the bus and it takes you to Disneyland. These 3 hotels are a great option. If you're looking for discounted rates on any of these hotels, make sure you check out the links in the description where I share discounts from Getaway Today. I hope you've enjoyed these hotel videos and tours. I have more on my channel you can search for.